Hello health enthusiasts! Today, we will explore vegetables that have a significant impact on our kidney health, which is one of the fundamental building blocks of our body. If you care about your health and strive to nourish your body in line with its needs, this information may be crucial for you. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, as this channel provides you with continuously updated information on health and wellness topics. Our focus today is on vegetables that are often overlooked in our dietary habits but can have a substantial effect on our kidney health. While we know that vegetables, in general, are beneficial for health, some can pose a challenge for those with kidney issues, especially due to their high potassium and oxalate content. So, which vegetables fall into this category? Based on discussions with nutrition experts, we have compiled a list of 5 vegetables that can either be friends or foes to kidney health. In addition to this crucial topic, we will also share practical tips on how to manage your diet for kidney health and information on safe alternatives to these vegetables. Moreover, we'll enlighten you with interesting facts about how kidneys function and why these specific vegetables can be a cause for concern. Let's dive right in and discover which vegetables made it to our top 5 list. 1. Spinach. Our first vegetable on the list is spinach. Known for its high nutritional value, however, it requires attention for those with kidney health issues, individuals combating kidney diseases, especially those undergoing hemodialysis, should pay special attention to potassium balance. When cooked, spinach can intensify its potassium content, enhancing the transfer of minerals in the body. Additionally, the oxalates in spinach, when combined with calcium, can trigger the formation of calcium oxalate stones. Therefore, the impact of spinach on kidney health should be seriously considered. 2. Potato. Our second vegetable, the potato, is a staple in many diets. However, individuals with kidney health issues, particularly the high potassium content in the potato skins, might raise concerns. The skin, rich not only in fiber, but also serving as a reservoir for various minerals, becomes especially relevant when kidney functions are impaired, especially in cases of chronic kidney disease (CKD) or situations requiring dialysis. There is an increased risk of potassium accumulation in the body. The relationship between potassium intake and kidney health has been emphasized in numerous studies, including those published in the JAMA Nephrology Journal. 3. Leek. Our third vegetable, leek, is distinguished by its vibrant colored leaves and rich nutritional profile, containing potassium and oxalates crucial for kidney health, especially in conditions like chronic kidney disease. Issues may arise in potassium regulation. The high oxalate levels in leeks can increase the risk of kidney stone formation. The preparation methods of leeks can influence oxalate levels. For instance, boiling may reduce oxalate levels but could increase potassium content. Therefore, the consumption of leeks, particularly for those mindful of kidney health issues, should be approached in a balanced manner. 4. Rhubarb. Rhubarb, known for its distinctive taste and high fiber content, is a vegetable that requires attention for individuals with kidney health issues, particularly high in oxalic acid. Rhubarb can increase the risk of kidney stone formation. A study suggests limiting the consumption of high oxalate foods like rhubarb, especially for patients with calcium oxalate stones. Additionally, rhubarb contains anthraquinones, which have a laxative effect. While this contributes to promoting bowel regularity and a healthy impact, excessive consumption in individuals with kidney health problems can lead to dehydration. 5. Tomato. Known for its vibrant appearance and versatile uses in the kitchen, tomatoes present a particular nutritional challenge, especially for managing kidney health. Tomatoes, high in potassium, should be particularly considered for individuals who have lost the ability to regulate kidney functions. Excessive potassium intake can lead to hyperkalemia, where it accumulates in the bloodstream, causing serious cardiovascular problems. The density of potassium in tomatoes can be higher, especially when consumed in concentrated forms like sauces and purees. Therefore, Limiting tomato consumption for individuals with kidney health issues can help reduce the risks of hyperkalemia and associated health complications. The main themes emphasized in the text are balanced nutrition, smart pairing, and appropriate moderation. It is not only about restricting vegetables rich in oxalates, but also considering other foods when consuming these vegetables. At this point, it is noted that dairy products, thanks to the calcium they contain, can interact with oxalates and prevent the formation of kidney stones. While using all this information, there is an emphasis on consulting with a healthcare professional and adapting the diet according to individual needs. It is recommended to pay attention to these suggestions in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle, continue acquiring knowledge, and collectively support a healthy life.